How's it? I'm Lebo, and if you're planning a trip to South Africa, you're in for something unforgettable. This isn't just a country, it's a vibe. From wild mountains to buzzing cities and the roar of lions at sunset, I'll be your guide, sharing real tips to make your trip smooth, safe, and epic. Forget the brochure fluff. We'll cover paperwork, safety, local etiquette, and how to blend in like a local. Ready for the adventure of a lifetime? Grab your rooibos tea and let's dive in. Trust me, you'll want to stick around. Let's get the paperwork sorted. For most visitors from the US, UK, or Europe, you get a 90-day visa waiver. Just bring your passport. Make sure it's valid for at least 30 days after your trip and has 2 full blank pages, no exceptions. If you need a visa, apply early. South African bureaucracy isn't known for speed. Traveling with kids? Bring unabridged birth certificates even if the rules seem relaxed. Double-check the Department of Home Affairs website before you fly. It's better to have extra documents than to be turned away. Don't let paperwork ruin your adventure. Get this right, and you're golden. When's the best time to visit? It depends. South Africa's seasons are flipped. Summer is November to February, perfect for Cape Town's beaches, but crowded. For wildlife, visit May to September. Dry winter means better animal sightings in Kruger. Pack warm for chilly mornings on safari. My favorite? The shoulder season, spring and autumn bring great weather, fewer crowds and better prices. Plan around what you want to see most. There's no bad time, just different adventures. Health and safety? Don't skip this. Visit your doctor before you go. You might need vaccines or malaria meds for Kruger. Bring strong insect repellent with DEET. For safety, use common sense. Don't walk alone at night, don't flash valuables, and keep car doors locked. Use Uber in cities and stick to well-lit ATMs. Travel insurance is a must. Seriously, don't risk it. South Africa is amazing, but being prepared keeps it fun. Stay alert, not anxious. Most visits are trouble-free with a little caution. Enjoy the adventure safely. The currency is the rand. Good news for most visitors, your money goes far. Don't exchange much before you arrive. Use ATMs in banks or malls for the best rates. Credit cards work in most places but carry cash for markets and tipping. Tip 10. 15% at restaurants and keep small notes for petrol attendants and car guards. Always let your bank know you're traveling. A little cash goes a long way here. South Africa is huge. Flying between cities like Joburg and Cape Town saves time. Domestic airlines are affordable, but watch baggage limits. For real freedom, rent a car. Just remember, they drive on the left. Main roads are good, but rural routes can be rough. Minibus taxis have their own rules. Give them space. Public transport isn't great for tourists. Use Uber in cities. Plan ahead and getting around is a breeze. Where to go? Start with Cape Town. Table Mountain, beaches, Bo-Kaap, and Robben Island. Explore the winelands for world-class wine and food. Safari in Kruger National Park for the Big Five. Unforgettable. Drive the garden route for stunning coastlines and charming towns. Don't miss the panorama route's epic views. Each region is unique. Mix city, nature, and wildlife for the full experience. You'll never run out of things to see. South Africa's highlights are truly world-class. Be a great guest. Learn a few local words like lekker, awesome, dankie, thank you, and greet people with a smile. South Africans are friendly, but be sensitive to the country's history. Listen more than you speak on tough topics. Visit townships with reputable guides who support the community. Tipping is appreciated, and a simple hello goes a long way. Small gestures connect you to the real South Africa. Respect and curiosity will make your trip richer. That's it. You're ready for South Africa. Paperwork, safety, money, must-sees, and local tips. This country will steal your heart from sunsets to safaris to Biltong snacks. Share your own tips or questions in the comments. Let's help each other out. If you found this helpful, subscribe and join us for more adventures. Safe travels, Hamba Kale, you're about to have the time of your life.